So, after an hour and a quarter, we've eventually arrived. This cable car goes down really steeply, so I'm looking forward to that. But we're going down there on a glorious day. Oh my goodness. Wow. So we're going down here. Oh my goodness. It's really steep. Oh dear. Nice couple of cats over here to say hello. Come to laugh at me. Terrified of going down here. Hello. Come to watch. When they concreted this, I think those cats decided to have a quick wander across. I don't think I needed to be told this. One of the steepest cable cars in Europe. 98% slope. Isn't that just like down? Well, the decision's been made for us. We're not walking down. I'm not walking all the way down. I just want to grab a view. So if you wanted to walk all the way down to the bottom, this is the way. Just spoke to a gentleman and he says there's good views, but to be careful, there's a big drop.
This is fantastic.
Just pulled in. That's where we're heading down to. We head down here and there's two rock pools, one over there and one over there. So we're going to naturally swim in the natural. We shall see. And we're here. Free car park. And we can have a wander around. Bye bye. I finally got in. The only trouble is you don't know how deep this is. It's just jagged rock below. But you do have a stunning view here, of which not too many will get this view unless you're in this rock pool. I've made it to this side. Don't think Elaine's going to get in. You're going to get in? Once you're in, it's okay. It's going to be fun getting out. Look at those waves. Now I'm in here, I don't even want to get out. Don't think I can get out. There's not many people in this one. Is it because it's the most dangerous one? I think Elaine made me get in the most dangerous one. Due to how rugged it is underneath here. So now I've been in here for at least 15 minutes or so. I've got used to the water temperature now. I've been in here for about 15 minutes or so. Elaine wants me to get in this pool now. I've only got to this at the top. I'm out.
Did you enjoy it though, huh?
Did enjoy it. Once I was in, it was good, but it was a bit terrifying trying to get in, especially the route you wanted me going. Down there, there's lovely steps you can go down to get into that pool. I had to clamber in, didn't I? Oh well. An experience to remember. Wow. Doesn't it remind you a lot of Jurassic Island?
Hawaii. I've never been to Hawaii.
Welcome to Jurassic Island. Some people fishing. So this is the other rock pool. This is the one you have to pay to go in. But it looks closed. Oh, this is for me. For going in the rock pool. Like a brave boy. Just relaxing now, aren't we?
It's fascinating and relaxing watching the sea. It's so wild. Of course I'd go for a swim in this pool if it was open. Children.
Right. And behind us we have all the mountains.
Jurassic Park. That's what it reminds you of, isn't it?
Yes.
The view disappears. Oh my goodness, 2,500 this one.
We've just stopped off in the village of I'm going to try and pronounce it. We are in the village of Seixal. 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 Completely wrong, I'm sure. It's a nice little spot. That's where we were earlier, at the rock pools. Another lovely little place. We're going to head up to the church up there. Right, you ready to climb some more steps then? After yesterday. That's where we've come to. Made it. This is the view you get from up here. From here, you can see all the way down into the town and the ocean beyond. Back down, and then we're going to drive through the mountains to head back to the south of the island, back to Funchal.